The Soroscape's workshop assumed the challenge of developing an urban model for Santa Cruz, aiming to improve the conditions of public spaces, sustainable mobility, modes of transportation, the use of fresh and potable water, and other efficient ways of using the scarce natural resources. The workshop seeks to identify and analyze the effects, risks, advantages, and opportunities of the territory. A first approach will let knowing the local existing policies and practices, which will be contrasted with the findings arising by answering 9 guide questions. The challenge is to exploit and harness the island's natural resources to obtain energy and to renovate the tourism demand habits, to provoke an important transformation of these dynamics into sustainable practices that slow down population growth and nature's damage. Therefore, the diagnosis of reality resulting from the reflections originated by the lectures of our guests and the particular research of participants play a crucial role to define the formulation, programming, and elaboration of each project.